and
My
I can
name is
hear you. Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. So, hi,
I,
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm also doing great. How was the day?
It was very fantastic, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
so I'd like to introduce myself. Firstly,
yes, 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 sure.
my name is Komal and I am married. I have a son. He is only 2 years old. He is very naughty and very cute. And I have a play school and I work there. And my husband also work there with me. And I belong to Haryana. My first language is Haryanvi and second is Hindi. Now I am learning is English language. That's all my introduction.
Okay, that's a great introduction to given to me. So now I introduce myself. Okay. My name
Okay.
is Priya and I'm from Maharashtra and live in Pune. And if you talk about my qualification, I have completed my post graduation in Master of Business Administration, and I'm a mother of two children, and I'm a housemaker, as well as I'm running YouTube channel recently. Before 2 months ago, I started and uploading a conversation video on that. That's all about me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It was very nice, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Now, you have one boy or one girl, ma'am?
Yes, I have a two children, one boy and one. My boy is now 9 years old, and my daughter is 14 months old. Yeah.
14 months old.
Yes.
Okay. What is your husband work?
He's engineer. He's working in IT company.
Okay. It's a private
Yes.
job, ma'am.
Yes, it's
Okay,
private
ma'am.
job. Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
And
So when
how
did
about,
you start this language?
it's been, ma'am, 2 month here, 2 month only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometime it's gap 15 days, 10 days because lots of work. I have so many burdens. That's
Mhm.
why.
Okay. You said me you working in the school as a primary teacher.
Yes, ma'am. I have a play school. Then I have 4 classes: pre-nursery, nursery, LKG, and UKG also.
Okay, so you using English language there? You have environment there?
Yes, ma'am.
English.
We are using English language there. That's why I learning English because I
Mhm.
want to teach my student about the learning English and
Okay.
spoken English also. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yeah. And your husband also uh, talk to you in English?
No, ma'am. He doesn't talk to me because he deny me clearly. I wouldn't talk to you because my English so weak and you try.
Yes, yeah. But sometimes, if you are want to conversation in English, so that time you are able to create environment as at your home. What is beneficial because you are said me you are lots of work and you are primary teacher and as well you have kids, 2 years kids. So it's very difficult. You make a conversation daily and you practice daily.
Yes, ma'am. It's very difficult to manage all the things. School with a small kid and with a husband and mother-in-laws, mother-in-laws and father-in-laws work, all the work together. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's a very difficult to me and it is challenging work, ma'am.
Mhm. Yes, yeah. And in between, we can't give lots of time to our practicing. Sometimes we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
frustrated about that. Yeah, I have no time today, so I will skip the these days.
Keep that in. Yes, ma'am. You are right, ma'am. And
Yeah. So
what's the way of your ma'am learning English? Do you have the YouTube or the other app?
yeah, just in this present scenario, just I am making conversation daily, and apart from that so lots of ladies are messaging me, so that time I'm connect them on video call, on audio call, whatever they comfortable, so I practicing whenever I get in afternoon I have a time, so my this time I'm utilizing in this speaking and practicing in that. And apart from that time, sometimes I reading some books, and sometimes I teach to my kids also. So it's be okay for me for this learning this language.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. As you said, ma'am, you read the book. What type books you read?
Yeah, in these days, just I'm reading some newspaper, and as well as have some Swami Vivekananda books in English, and any other motivational books. So I read just not more, just 2 pages and 3 pages every day, not
Okay,
lot of.
ma'am.
Yeah.
May I may I know your daily routine, ma'am?
Yes, yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, I wake up at 6 o'clock, and after that, I prepare my breakfast for my kids, and then I will be get ready to go school for that, and after that, my after that, I'm remaining household chore. I'm finishing at the 11 cloth, and after that all time I've given to my younger daughter. Then he sleeps around 2 p.m. Then after that I'm practicing my English speaking practice like a 1 to 2 hours. Yeah, maybe sometimes 1 hour. Then after so I start my another works and spending some times with kids, and sometimes I talk to my in-laws and my parents. And evening also, the kids are very argue and for go for playing at outside. So that time I will go for with them outside, and then come back and return to start my making dinner. Then after that, it just given to 1 hour to my YouTube channel who comment me, and I reply that YouTuber, and I watch some YouTube video on after 1 hour I have. So then after 9 p.m. I am also finishing all my household chores, and yeah, that's all my daily routine. It's very simple.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, ma'am. And especially with whom do you practice at your home in English?
Yeah. Yes, my husband also practicing with me. Yes, he's engineer, so sometimes he some sentences use in English. So now I am also answering in English. Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Before that, I'm not using, but yeah, after now I am also give answer in English, and sometimes I also talk with my kids, and yes, that's enough.
Okay. Do you
Hmm.
practice your child with English?
Yeah, yeah. He speak well. He speak. But now
He
he's
speak
in.
well.
Yes, he's third standard in, and he you saw my YouTube channel. I upload one video of my kids.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. He speak well, and sometimes he use very advanced words, in speech, because because he has a lots of 8 to 9 hours he's spending more time in school, so everyone speak in English in the school, so they will be easy for my kids to speak easily. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any favorite hobbies?
Yes, I have lots of hobbies. I share lots of in my video. I said reading, writing, and watching movies and listening music. And I love to do dance and making some different decision when I had time. So that is my hobbies. Yeah.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Very
Yes.
nice.
Yeah. So nowadays, what are you the difficulties are facing this learning this language?
Ma'am, my first point is when I speak in English in front of others, my mind goes blank. I forget everything. I don't understand what should I speak because if I alone in my room, then I speak easily, and then I then it comes to speak to another person, then I forget it. This is the my main problem, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Okay, it will be overcome when you are practicing daily. Then after
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will be not facing this problem. But this problem, the one solution is we have to practice daily.
Practice
Any you
daily.
can use any method on audio call, on video call, whatever you comfortable. Yeah, you
Okay.
have a, also environment. You create environment at school also. You
Yes,
have
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, every time you don't use Hindi, you use only English. Then you see,
English.
and sometimes you don't know what. Suppose sometimes you want to say something to your children, your kid, then that time you don't know that word. So then you can keep aside that word, and after the another day you can use this word. You can search, and after the tomorrow day you can use same. But don't forget to write something in your notebook or your blackboard anywhere you, and after the next day you can use. Don't use Hindi language in that. Then you automatically you improve yourself. Yeah, you have no term, I understand you are teacher, and you can create environment in school. Then you can easily you yourself you can improve easily. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am, giving me these techniques. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, because you know,
Yes, ma'am.
when we speak in front of a kid, so that time they don't judge. Okay, and they also learn something. They understanding something saying in different language. Yeah, yes, they listening 1 day 2 day, yeah, but after 3 days they also using the same sentence with you. Some. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Why do you want to learning English?
Yeah, as I mentioned lots of in my video, I said uh, first reason is I want to create as well as English environment at home for my kids, and the second one is I want to do something in my future after my kids when we growing. Then something I love for do anything whatever I get chance to, I grab this and I want to do. So
Okay.
in this between I want to improve my communication skills. So because in whenever you want to do any job, so in that particular situation you want to speak English in fluently. So that
Okay.
any you can say that I want to do anything like any job, like a teaching job, you can say any job, work from job I get, so I use anything. So
Okay, ma'am.
in that case, everyone want to fluent in English. So I
Yes,
saw
ma'am.
some kids. Yeah, so that's why I'm improving myself.
Okay, ma'am. And how much time do you give your English speaking?
Yeah, just 1 hour in afternoon and at evening at half hour. And whenever I get time, just watching some videos and on YouTube channel who uploaded a YouTuber and any motivational video, and I say that just little 2 to 3 pages reading. And if someone give me any topic, and for that I'm preparing that topic for the conversation. Yeah, that's enough to me daily.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. If I am wrong anywhere, then please correct me. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am?
yeah. Yes, of course,
Yeah.
sure. So what special quality do you have?
Special quality, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. I have special quality that I can teach any student what type of student is it is a level of average, medium or high. I can teach every student, ma'am. It is my special quality, ma'am.
Okay, miss your subject is all in English medium, in CBSE medium in your school?
Yes, ma'am. CBSE medium, CBSE medium.
Okay,
All
so
subject is in
LKG, UKG, and first standard in you teaching.
first standard also here, ma'am, in my school.
Mm-hmm.
Up to
Okay.
first standard. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah.
I have
And
only 150 student in my school.
oh, that's nice. then you
Yes,
definitely
ma'am.
you use this language in your school. Then you see that you different. After 30 days you can start from tomorrow, and you can see in different things after 30 days. You use only English language, you just think in English
Okay,
language.
from tomorrow I will definitely start this tricks, ma'am, whatever you told me. Okay,
Yes, of
ma'am.
course. Because in my initial days, I'm also you always I'm thinking in my native language. But when then I started thinking in English, not translating. You don't translate. You just think. Just a 2 to 3 second. You can think that what I'm talking about, the present, future, and past. Just click on and use the structure in that, and you can make the sentence within a second. You Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. One more thing, ma'am. If you free, then we can talk daily.